In this video, I will be talking about this crucial Bitcoin breakdown on the daily time frame, and I will be talking exactly about what this currently means for Bitcoin, where we are heading towards, and of course, I will be talking exactly about my price targets because Bitcoin is in a significant correction, and this is the time to pay attention because tomorrow as well, we are going to have the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, and this will be having a large effect on the market. So make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to be knowing exactly about what we currently think of the market. So make sure to smash up the like button. On the previous video, we smashed it up to 600 likes. Can we once again do it on today's video? So smash up the like button and of course subscribe to the channel if you do want to see more of this content every single day. Let me first off start on with looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, and you can clearly see Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame where we were looking to be forming somewhat of a falling wedge pattern. What is of course a typical bullish bias pattern. We broke the very crucial important support line, and after seeing this break of the critical support, you can right away see that Bitcoin is creating a continuation further towards the downside. Currently, I am not taking out of account Bitcoin can come down all the way back towards the range low in the market. And of course, after discussing and of course warning everyone on the channel exactly on the top side, exactly in this middle range as well, and of course on the perfect rejection on this market, about this ascending broadening wedge, we can currently see of course that Bitcoin is coming down further. The price target of the ascending broadening wedge is still not reached because the price target of this ascending broadening wedge is all the way down on the 19,000 US dollars. So yeah, from of the current point of recording, we could be still in for another lunge down of 9%. Another thing what we can also clearly see right now here is that after this significant rejection of the resistance right here, we're basically re-entered the range of Bitcoin trading in this level right here. So let me give this the right color. Bitcoin is currently once again trading in a range where the top side is of course significant resistance, lower side is support. And currently I am definitely not taking out of account that Bitcoin can fall down all the way back towards levels of 18,000 US dollars because yes, that is the current range we're trading in. And like I've told you guys several times before, just like the last time around here at the end of May, begin June, we were trading in a range as well where of course the lower side was providing support, top side was providing resistance, and it's a very easy trading range. We also had this small little fake out on the top side. And after, of course, breaking above the range high, we immediately fell down again, rejected once again, and further saw that continuation towards the downside getting created. And if you're looking at the market right now, we are basically seeing something very similar. We, of course, clearly see the range high over here in the market. It got broken above. We faked out, we got down, we got rejected, and currently we could be in for, of course, another significant correction. So I am also definitely not taking out of account that Bitcoin cannot reach these 18 or 17,000 US dollar levels on the market. What I think is the most important chart to currently look at is the daily time frame, and you can clearly see this major support on the market flipped into resistance right here. And of course, after seeing of course a break above that resistance, you want to see the previous resistance flip into support. And after yesterday's daily candle close, we officially confirmed the breakdown of this level, confirming basically a breakdown of a very critical level of support on the daily time frame. And this could of course have very bearish effects for the Bitcoin price action right now. I do still want to be pointing out is that on the daily time frame, we are currently of course significantly forming still that higher high, and of course as long as we're not going to confirm a lower daily candle close here than the 19,000 US dollars, officially speaking the daily time frame is still in an uptrend. But after seeing this range getting broken right here, it could of course definitely mean that Bitcoin can fall down towards levels of 19,000 US dollars. And once again, coming back to the point, zooming out, we can clearly see that just like back at the end of May, we were also range trading. And as soon as we do clearly break above a range here, we're going to be ready to make that significant move. But currently also, I do think that the most important levels to be watching right here is the daily RSI. And you can clearly see the daily RSI uptrend. As soon as it did get broken last time around here at the beginning point of June, we started that significant correction wave down here. And currently, we're so far still holding on towards the daily RSI. But as soon as we do break this trend, this could be maybe potentially lead towards a significant market correction. So right now it is going to be extremely important to keep our eyes wide open on how the RSI is looking on the daily time frame. And as soon as we do break below the upward sloping support line, maybe that could be the signal that we can go in another steep correction way down. Then also what we can clearly see in the weekly time frame is that the major resistance on Bitcoin is officially the 200 weekly moving average. The 200 weekly moving average significantly rejected the Bitcoin price action right here, currently trading on the 22.6k. So the 200 weekly moving average is currently the level to break on the weekly time frame, and as soon as we can flip above the 200 weekly moving average once again on the daily and weekly time frame, we could be in for, of course, a significant rally up. But as long as we're not breaking above it, this is of course the resistance to break. Also, considering the fact that tomorrow the Federal Reserve is going to be probably hike the interest rates by another 75 basis points, we could be expecting massive volatility in towards tomorrow. And yeah, we are currently basically pricing in what the Federal Reserve is going to do. And my expectations are, as long as the Federal Reserve is not going to hike the rates higher than 75 basis points, the market is going to be reacting positive towards it. But as soon as this is going to be 100 or even more, it's going to be, of course, lead towards a significant bloodbath across all markets. So yeah, it's going to be extremely important to see how the market is going to react towards the Federal Reserve hiking the rates here. Personally, I do think that it is going to be 75 basis points, and it is not necessarily going to be having a very bearish effect on the market. But as soon as they are going to be even more hawkish, it could definitely lead towards another significant correction across all markets, so also for Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, this was it for today's update video. It was a very short update video. If you do enjoy the content, smash on the like button. If you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above. If you want to trade, check out the links in the description to claim insane deposit bonuses, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.